on, we already said it all, but it's Trey.
No.
And we have ourselves one of these big things. It's called a Skyrider. It's a big plane.
It's a big paper airplane. Flies up to 150 feet. We're gonna try it.
And if it actually, because we've had this before, and technically speaking, it was true because it flew on our neighbor's roof, who was, by the way, right over there, and probably would not want us saying that on YouTube, but you never know he exists. So we're gonna fly it out in the cul-de-sac and see if it works. So we're gonna put it together. Here we go! We got ourselves this plane built in 10 seconds. No lie. Just kidding. Very lie. Anyways, so actually no, it was built in like 30 seconds. No lie. But anyways, so Noah's gonna test it first, and we gonna see his flight. 3, 2. Oh, that's the thing we set up the camera on right there. That cooler. Yeah. We gotta improvise filming. Go. 2, 1, go. All right, Philip's turn.
I wanted to do that.
3, 2, 1.
I hate this thing.
All right. Who's better? Noah. Noah's better. Noah's better.
Let's see if Trey can do anything. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna just...
3, 2, 1. Whee! But it worked! Yes! But look at it. Look at the damage.
I think we have a problem.
We sure do.
I believe my finger might have been in front of the camera.
What? Are you kidding me?
It might have been. I don't know.
You mean like the entire camera?
It might have been.
Well, if it is, then you suck. And we're not doing you again as a cameraman.
Hey, will you tell me you did this? Hey, that's not a bad idea because it can't clip. Okay.
By the way, if you didn't see mine, I did the first successful flight. So.
But it flew back around. Ready?
Well, see if yours works, because I think it's going to do the same thing. It had a successful landing besides plane damage.
Ready? Go. Yeah.
That was worse.
What?
That was worse.
I almost hit the mailbox.
That was worse. Philip, okay, man, we suck at this. We got to get better. We got to get better at this.
I almost hit the mailbox.
That would have been funny. All right, you got to throw. If you just straight up throw, you're not going to do well. Go.
I don't think he threw it.
All right, I'm going to watch you. All right. Oh, wait.
I'll get it. Wing. Repair damage.
This is what happens in a plane crash, people.
Don't put his head in front of the camera.
Well, I wasn't even doing it.
Hi, guys.
Hey, let's see if I have another successful stop.
How to annoy Trey.
What?
Welcome to the Fortnite gameplay.
3.
He does not care. It's ineffective.
Oh, no.
And it does nothing. That doesn't count. That's the same thing. That counts because that's the same thing Philip did.
No, we're doing that again.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Hi, guys. Welcome to Noah Cam. Oh, wow. I'm sorry, but the camera was flipped the entire time. No, it wasn't. I'm not lying. We caught that on camera.
That was better.
My turn! Daddy, ha!
First, okay, can we all agree that right now I'm the best at this?
Where are you holding it?
The back, I think.
All right, ready?
We gotta keep trying.
That's what that was supposed to do. I want one that's just gonna go straight. Beautiful.
Like what I did?
Yeah, sort of.
Well, besides hitting my toe at the end, it was pretty beautiful.
3, 2, 1, go. If you run.
Oh!
I broke it! I broke it!
You're bad. You're bad.
I broke it.
Okay. We don't know if we're gonna be able to play the game because you guys are really bad.
It's not easy to throw that thing.
This is my house.
And y'all threw one before. I haven't thrown one before.
Well, both of y'all, oh yeah, we've thrown it before, but we both sucked like really badly. So me getting really good at it was a surprise. How you doing down there? Nice.
Throw it. Lift off in 3, 2, 1.
Wasn't as good as mine, but yes, that was pretty good.
I almost got hit.
Okay, that wasn't as good as mine, but that was pretty good. Let's go.
I almost got hit.
All right, this might be the last rotation, and then we'll try to play the game that we tried to play.
We're gonna play dodgeball.
We'll play dodge the plane.
Dodge the
If
plane.
it works. All right, point the camera at me.
Daddy hat.
Let's see if this works this time.
1, 2 times zoom.
What? 3, 2, 1. Yes!
What?
You got that, right?
Yeah, it was accidentally on 2 times zoom, but that didn't make a difference. Except for the few seconds that the plane was.
Plane was what?
It was fine.
I'm gonna rewatch this later. All right, let's play dodge the plane. I'm gonna be the first person
I want
that's
to go one more time.
No.
I broke it again. My goal is to break the plane.
That's your goal now?
No, come out. It's gonna be too easy.
Too easy to fail? Too easy not to hit somebody?
It's gonna be too easy to dodge because you're gonna throw it. It's gonna go straight down the middle, or we're just gonna stand right here.
Go ahead. Okay, looks like we're not doing dodge plane because that would be too easy. Is there any game y'all can think of that we can do with this, or we just end it here?
Like moss.
Oh yeah, let's do moss. All right.
I can't do something.
No, I'm gonna throw because I'm the best at throwing. Well, I'm the best at throwing regularly, and I'm pretty sure I'm the best at throwing this thing. So. No, you're not. No, you're not. That's not how it works. Not in YouTube.
I wanted to do like that loop-de-loop thing.
You're bad. Alright, let's see how moss works.
We broke the plate again.
Let's see how moss works.
Let's go, fellas.
You guys are gonna have to follow the plane. It's not gonna stay. Alright, starting back here, guys. Back there. 3. No, you keep going back there, 'cause it's gonna be far.
That's why it's gonna be funny.
3, 2, 1. Whee! Moss!
I'm gonna pee my pants. That was so funny.
So that's the end of this video, guys.
What?
It's pretty long already. Okay, so did you guys enjoy the train? Who do you think was the best at it? Like for real, legit, not fake.
Trey. My goal halfway through it.
Comment down below to see who was the best at it. Comment down below to see what the funniest part of your video was. And we're gonna keep playing with this plane. So it's been Trey.
Philip. Noah.
Bye bye.
Okay, let's.